Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority, WDBA, is pleased to present its annual report for 2015-2016. Our annual report and the public meetings are a time for us to share everything we've done over the past year. Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority is a not-for-profit Canadian Crown corporation wholly owned by the Government of Canada. WDBA is responsible for the management of the procurement process for the design, build, finance, operation, and maintenance of the Gordie Howe International Bridge project through a public-private partnership known as a P3. It will select the P3 partner and manage the P3 project agreement, and will be responsible for project oversight of construction and operation of the new crossing. The Canada-Michigan Crossing Agreement provides the framework for the delivery of the Gordie Howe International Bridge. Michigan is WDBA's partner in the delivery of the Gordie Howe International Bridge and plays a key role in terms of property acquisition in Michigan, utility relocations, and assisting in project coordinating activities. As well, the Michigan Department of Transportation, MDOT, plays a key role in the P3 procurement process. There are 4 components to the Gordie Howe International Bridge project. The bridge. The Gordie Howe International Bridge will be 6 lanes, 2.5 kilometers or 1.5 miles, and once complete, will be among the top 5 longest bridges in North America. Canadian Port of Entry. The Canadian Port of Entry will be situated on a 53-hectare, 130-acre site. It includes border inspection facilities for both passenger and commercial vehicles, maintenance facilities, and the tolling operation for both the US-bound and Canada-bound traffic. Once complete, it will be the largest Canadian port of entry on the Canada-US border. US Port of Entry. The US Port of Entry will be situated on a 60-hectare, 145-acre site. It includes border inspection facilities for both passenger and commercial vehicles, and once in service, will be one of the largest ports of entry in North America. Michigan Interchange. The Michigan Interchange will consist of the connecting ramps to and from the US Port of Entry and local road improvements required to fit the new ramps into the interstate system. It includes 4 new road bridges, 5 new pedestrian bridges over I-75, ramps crossing the railway and connecting I-75 to the US Port of Entry, and local road improvements. The theme of this year's annual report is Moving Forward, and Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority has done just that in its 2nd year of operation. The key objective for the 2015-2016 fiscal year was to launch the public-private partnership P3 procurement process. On July 20, 2015, WDBA issued the Request for Qualifications, known as the RFQ, the first stage in the procurement process to select a private sector partner. On January 20, 2016, WDBA announced the respondent teams that will move forward in the Request for Proposals, the RFP stage of the P3 procurement process. WDBA, throughout fiscal year 2015-2016, has undertaken a wide range of activities. These strategic priorities build on the accomplishment of the previous year's priorities. During the 2015-2016 fiscal year, WDBA continued to build a competent and qualified team. As of March 31st, 2016, WDBA staff complement totaled 40 persons. In fiscal year 2015-2016, 351 properties on the U.S. side of the project were acquired through funds provided by WDBA. Construction of a new 4.3-kilometer perimeter access road started in fiscal year 2015-2016. The road will provide public access to private and public properties adjacent to the Canadian Port of Entry. Utility relocation in Windsor and Detroit also moved forward in the 2015-2016 fiscal year. Early works at the Canadian Port of Entry. These preparatory activities have dramatically changed the 53-hectare, 130-acre site and include the installation of 4.6 kilometers of exclusion fence, 21 utility poles, 500 meters of utility trench, a 7.5 million liter stormwater management pond, 900 meters of storm sewers, 29,000 wick drains, 91,000 tons of aggregate, 800,000 tons of granular material, 61 settlement monitors. As well, 2,500 species at risk plants were relocated and 90,000 cubic meters of topsoil were removed. WDBA is proud of the progress that has been made during fiscal year 2015-2016. We invite you to join in the excitement as we build the largest and most ambitious binational border infrastructure project along the Canada-United States border. There are many ways to stay connected with us. For more information about WDBA and the Gordie Howe International Bridge Project, visit our website and follow us on social media.